Hello everyone, this is Ram Saul from Technocrats Group of Institutes, and we are hereby going to discuss an important topic of data structure, that is tree. In last lecture we are discuss about Abel tree and binary search tree. Now we are going to further binary trees that are used for searching purpose, that are B trees, B plus trees and red black trees. First one we are going to be B tree. B tree is a specialized multi-way search tree designed to optimize data access, especially on disk-based storage systems. In a B tree of order M, each node can have up to M children, and the total number of keys that are combined at any node is M minus 1, allowing to efficient manage large data set. The value of M is decided based on the disk block and key sizes. One of the standout feature of a B tree is its ability to store a significant number of keys within a single node, including large key values. It significantly reduces the tree height, hence reducing cost disk operations. B-tree allow faster data retrieval and update, making them an ideal choice for systems requiring efficient and scalable data management. By maintaining a balanced structure at all times, B-tree deliver consistent and efficient performance for critical operation like search, insertion and deletion. This is an example of B tree of order 5, where maximum children node of any node having 5, and the maximum number of keys that are combined at any node is 4. Properties of a B tree. A B tree of order M can be defined as an multi-way search tree which satisfy the following properties. All the leaf nodes of a B tree are at the same level, such as they have the same height of the tree. The keys of each node of a B tree, in case of multiple keys, should be stored in ascending order. In a B tree, all non-leaf nodes should have at least m by 2 children. All nodes except root node should have at least m by 2 minus 1 keys. If the root node is a leaf node, then it will have no children, will have at least 1 keys. If the root node is non-leaf node, then it will have at least 2 children and at least 1 keys. A non-leaf node with n minus 1 keys should have a non-null children. That is the operation on a B tree. B tree suppose various operations and make them highly efficient for managing large data set. Below are the key operations. That is the search operation is take the time, that is the big O of log n. Insertion also takes log n times. Deletion also takes log n time. Traversing of elements takes 1 unit time for each element. So total number of n element takes the big O of n times. Applications of B trees. It is used in large databases to access data stored on the disk. Searching for data in a dataset can be achieved significantly less time using the B tree. With the indexing feature, multi-level indexing can be achieved. Most of the servers also can use the B tree approach. B trees are used in CAD system to organize and search geometric data. B tree are also used in other areas such as natural language processing, computer networks and cryptography too. Advantages of B tree. B tree have a guaranteed time complexity of big O of log n for basic operations like insertion, deletion and searching. which make them suitable for large dataset and real-time application. B trees are self-balancing, high concurrency and high throughput, efficient storage utilization. Disadvantage of the B trees are B tree are based on the disk-based data structure and can have a high disk usage. Not the best of all cases. For a small database, the search time in a B tree might be slower compared to a binary search tree, as each node may contain multiple keys. Next, balanced binary search tree is the B plus tree. It is a enhanced version of B tree. A B plus tree is a self-balancing tree data structure widely used in databases and file systems for efficient storage and retrieval of large amount of data. It is a variant of B tree optimized for disk-based storage and sequential access. Component of B plus tree, leaf nodes stored all the key values and pointers to the actual data. Internal nodes are store only the keys that guide the searches. All the leaf nodes are linked together, supporting efficient sequential and range queries. Their various key characteristics and properties are all the leaf nodes, all data in a leaf node. Unlike B trees, where data can reside in any node, in a B plus tree, all actual data records or pointers to the data records are stored exclusively in the leaf node. Internal nodes as indexes node, non-leaf nodes that are also called internal nodes only contains keys that act as indexes guiding the search process towards the correct leaf node. They do not store data value. They are also called as reference node. Linked leaf nodes. All leaf nodes are linked together in a sequential manner, forming a linked list. This structure enables efficient range queries, sequential access to the data. Balanced tree, like a B tree, B plus tree are balanced, meaning all leaf nodes are at the same level. This ensures that the time complexity for search, insertion and deletion operation remains logarithmic, that is a log n. High degrees, B plus trees typically have a high degree, that means many child pointer per node, which result in a shallower tree compared to a binary tree with the same number of elements. Features of B trees, that is a balanced tree, auto adjust when data is added or removed, keeping search time efficiently. That is the multi-level tree, has a root, internal nodes and leaf nodes which stores the data. That is the ordered tree, maintains sorted keys, making range queries easily. High fan out, each node has many children, keeping the tree short and fast. Cache fan tree works well with memory caches for better space. Disk efficient, ideal for disk storage due to fast data access. That are the different. These are the different between B plus tree and B tree. The structurally, the B tree separate leaf node for data storage and internal nodes for indexing. And in B tree, nodes are stored both keys and data values. Leaf nodes, order, key duplication, different parameters that we are taking for differences between B plus tree and B tree. Advantage of B plus tree, B plus tree with I level can store more entries in its internal nodes compared to a B tree having the same I level. This accentuated the significant improvement made to the search time for the given keys. Data stored in a B plus tree can be accessed both sequentially and directly. It takes an equal number of disk access to fetch the records. B plus tree have redundant search keys and storing search keys repeatedly in is not possible. Disadvantage also there are some disadvantages of B plus trees. Slower exact match, data is always in leaf nodes, increasing search path. More disk access require reaching the leaf even for a single record. Complex updates, insertion and deletion are more complex. Extra space, leaf node links need additional pointers. Next, balance trees, that is the hide balance trees, red black trees. Like by a name, a red black tree is a self-balancing binary search tree where the height of the tree is never beyond big of log n time. Each node has an additional attribute, a color, which can be either red or black. The color are used to maintain balance during insertion and deletion, ensuring efficient data retrieval and manipulations. There are different operations that are associated with red black trees are first operation is recolor. Recolor, that means red node can be colored with black and black node can be colored with red node. Rotations like a avial tree, red black tree also perform. There are four type of rotations. Rotation followed by recolor. After we can rotate, then also we can perform recolor. That are the properties of red black trees. Red black tree have the following properties. First property, node colors. It may be either red or black. Root property, the node of a red black tree is always black. Red property, red nodes cannot have red children. That means no two consecutive red nodes on any path. Black property, every path from a node to its descendant null nodes, that is also called leaves, has the same number of black nodes. Leaf property, all leaves that nil nodes are black. This is an example, very good example of red black tree where we can insert 8, 18, 5, 15, 17, 25, 40 and 18 by step. These are the different steps performed by the with following different properties of the red black tree. This one, advantage of red black tree, balanced. Red black tree are self-balancing, meaning they automatically maintain a balance between the height of the left and right subtrees. This ensures the search, insertion and deletion operation takes big of log n time. In worst case also, efficient search, insertion and deletion, simple to implement, widely used. Disadvantage of red black tree, more complex than other balance trees and constant overhead. Applications that are used in file systems, red black tree, some file system to manage file and directory structure. In memory database, red black trees are sometimes used in memory database to store and retrieve data efficiently. Graphics and game developments. Red black trees can be used in graphics and game development for tasks like collision detection and pathfinding. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.